Welcome back to my channel, foodie4jaz, your kitchen alliance. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for my future cooking adventure. Today, I'm going to prepare a spinach chicken pasta. And here are the ingredients. We need to pre-cook the noodles for 5 minutes. Drain and set aside. Let's prepare the other ingredients. It's cooking time. On a heated pan, pour over olive oil. Let the pan heat and we put in our butter. Make sure that your fire is low so you're not gonna burn your butter. I can smell. Did you hear those sizzle? Wow. Okay, let's start frying our chicken until it's golden brown. Add the garlic in. Now the onions. Add those cherry tomatoes. And it's time to add in those fresh and green spinach. Time to pour in the chicken stock. Remember guys that you do it on a circular motion on your pan. If you're a wine lover, you can use white wine of the same amount instead of the chicken stock. Add some salt and pepper to taste. You may also add in the dried basil. Fresh one can be an excellent alternative. We are almost done. We add in the pasta. Stir with care. You don't want to damage the pasta. Cook the pasta for another 3 to 5 minutes on a low fire. Time to add the cheeses. And we are all set. Your spinach chicken pasta with a heart. Again, this is foodie4jaz, always saying stay safe, be healthy, and strong. See you next time.